Hi, I'm Kathleen Reel, founder of BeFreeForMe.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite gluten-free Thanksgiving recipes, a maple roasted butternut squash side dish. For this recipe, we're going to need one medium butternut squash, peeled, seeds removed, and diced into 1-inch cubes, 1 or 2 medium onions cut into wedges, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg combined with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste, and last 3/4 of a cup of dried cranberries. The first thing we're going to do is combine the cubed butternut squash with the olive oil and the maple syrup, and we're going to toss to coat. Next, we're going to add the spices, salt and pepper to taste, and the onions, and we're going to combine again. Now this is a great recipe for Thanksgiving with the butternut squash and the cinnamon. It really smells great when it's cooking in the oven. It's a real New England type of recipe too. The maple syrup, I want maple syrup. I don't use any of that fake stuff. Get yourself some real good maple syrup. It really makes this dish. Now we're going to put this in the oven, and it's preheated 400 degrees, and we're going to put it in for about a half an hour. Now the butternut squash has been cooking for about a half an hour, and the butternut squash is nice and firm. It's not mushy, but they're definitely soft, so they're perfect. And we're adding in the cranberries, and we're going to toss it up a little bit. And if you're not concerned about nut allergies, go ahead and add in some chopped pecans if you want to do that, if you're a nut lover. And look at this nice maple glaze here. It's just, oh, it's just so yummy. This dish smells delicious. It just is Thanksgiving written all over it. And that, my gluten-free friends, is how to make a great gluten-free recipe for Thanksgiving, a maple roasted butternut squash. I'm Kathleen Reel, founder of BeFreeForMe.com, your source of savings, sampling, and sharing gluten and allergen-free.